Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami cup. Here I have a cup that I already made. You can see I can put things in it and it will hold them for me. So let's learn how to make an origami cup together. I don't have origami paper at home, but I do have a lot of old magazines. So I'm going to go ahead and take this magazine that I'm done reading, and I'm going to rip a page out of this magazine. If your parents have magazines at home, ask them first before you rip up their magazines. Okay, now I have a page that I ripped out. I'm going to make this into origami paper by making it into a square. So I'm going to take this side down here and fold it so it lines up exactly with this side. So now I've made, if I look here, here's a triangle and a rectangle. Now I don't need the rectangle because I know these two triangles together are going to make a perfect square. So I want to get rid of that rectangle. So all I'm going to do is fold it over. And then to get rid of it, I'm just going to tear it off along that crease. If you have scissors, you can use scissors, but you don't need to. We're not that fussy. All right. Now I have my piece of origami paper. I'm going to look at it and see which side is more interesting. Probably this side, so I want this side to be my outside. Okay. To make my cup, I'm just going to take my paper and fold it in half again so that I end up with a big triangle. The side that is folded and doesn't open is called the crease, and it's going to be facing me. The side that is open, I call it a mouth, is going to be facing away from me. To make my cup, I'm going to take this side right here and this point and bring it up over so that it touches the opposite side. Kind of like in gym class when you take your arm and you reach and touch your shoulder, that's what this paper is doing. It's reaching over and touching this side. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. It looks like it's giving itself a hug, doesn't it? Let's do that again. This tip is touching this side, and it should make another triangle up here. Do you see that triangle? And then the same thing with this side. Now I'm going to smooth it out to make sure that everything's folded. At the top where that mouth is, I'm going to take one sheet of paper and fold it down. This is going to keep my cup from opening up. And then on the other side, I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. Now I can take my cup, open it up. If I want to be fancy, I could poke this in a little bit in the bottom and it'll stay open. But that's how I make an origami cup. Thank you.